Hello again, from me to you. Here comes another quick review. Don't know where that came from. I apologize to you for that. Alright, so this is an unboxing and then a quick review of the BM-800 condenser microphone. Let's go ahead and get started. Just to let you know, you are listening to a BM-800 right now, and you will be through the duration of this video. Comes with typical paperwork. Pop filter. Also to let you know, this kit I got on eBay for under $30 for everything. It's quite a deal. Another pop filter goes on the mic. Shock mount. It is plastic, but it does the trick. Mounts for the boom. XLR to 3.5. Sound card adapter. And the boom. I am using all this equipment because I obviously bought another one of these microphones since you're listening to one right now, but I'm using all the equipment from the other one, and it all works fantastically so far. No complaints from me, especially for under $30. And here is your BM-800. It is unbranded, which is probably another reason I got it so cheap. Feels good in the hand. A little bit light, but I'm sure some cost-cutting measures were taken for it to be this cheap, or this cost-effective. As far as the sound quality goes, yeah, you get no complaints from me. All the reviews for the BM-800 have been pretty good, and this is another good review. Compared to the AK-15, the Aokio that I reviewed the other day, it is smoother, warmer, less harsh. It is a good microphone. I would highly recommend it. So that is my quick unboxing and review of the BM-800. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe. Catch you next time.